Managing large-scale operations comes with big challenges: fragmented workflows, scattered data, and mounting inefficiencies. It's time for a smarter, more streamlined solution. FLYGHT CLOUD by ideaForge, revolutionizing data management. FLYGHT CLOUD simplifies your workflow, planning, data capture, processing, and analysis, all in one powerful platform. Seamlessly collaborate with teams, share insights effortlessly, and speed up decision-making, even with a distributed workforce. With advanced security measures, your sensitive data stays protected, always. Handle massive data sets with speed and precision, enabling faster insights and smarter decisions. And with our cost-effective, pay-as-you-go model, scale your operations without scaling your costs. FLYGHT CLOUD by ideaForge. Streamline your data, elevate your business. Book a demo today